Happy Valentine. Happy. Huh? Hello. Hey. Najua sahi mko kwa mood ya mapenzi reloaded. Yani Valentine. Anyway, let me wish you a happy Valentine in advance. Lakini kuna kitu brother, sister, hey, najua ni Valentine, but be sure of your health. Be sure. What I mean, be sure of your health. We need you tomorrow, my friend. We need you tomorrow. Be sure of your health. Kujeni bwana, kujeni, ziko my friend. I need you tomorrow. Be sure of your health, my friend. Hey, security muhimu, my friend. Hey, msiseme sikuwaambia. Security muhimu. Yani security ya unplanned pregnancy hiko. Security ya STIs. Si mmesikia Nairobi kuna super gonorrhea? Inawachungulia, inawangojea. My friend, security. Be sure of your health. Kujeni my friend. Kujeni kwa my facility. Walk in, walk out with the security and you are sure of your health. Walk in, walk out with the security. And walk in, walk out with the security. Hey, happy Valentine! Be sure of your health. Morele Dispensary cares for you.